Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a package list on TranZact. So for that, first of all, let us click on browse modules and let us go to sales and purchase. After going in sales and purchase, you need to open the invoice. So this is one of the invoice which we have created. Click on this. After opening the invoice, please check on your right hand side, there is an option of other action. Click on this. Here you will get an option of package list. Click on package list. Now this is the package list where there are two options. You can go ahead and individually type the package type, package number, batch number, number of packages and remaining details, or you can import the item directly from invoice and you can select that what is the package type. So it is box, then after the package number you can define your package number. Batch number, if you do have, you can mention, otherwise you can move to the next number of packages. So it is 2, and after that net weight unit. So net weight is 20 kg, gross weight is against 20, volumetric total net weight kg, total volumetric. So these details you can add, and then after you can click on save and send. So there is one more change which I will do. Back in package number, there are two packets, so I will just provide another number by providing a forward slash. Go below, click on save and send, and this is how your package list will get created. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to create a package list. Have a good day ahead.